Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations Auto, and today I got a really good one for my Porsche fans. So this video you really need to pay attention to. If you have to do anything with your headlights, then this is the video for you. Do not take your car to some fancy shop just so they can take the headlight out and clean it or change the headlights. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is pull the carpet down, stick the tool in, turn it, and the entire headlight comes out. As you can see, this one is kind of glazed over from the sun. I took these out because I'm going to go ahead and sand them down and clean it, make them look brand new again, but that'll be another video. And if you're going to take these out and put a new set of headlights in, don't buy headlights and then go take it somewhere. It's very, very easy. As you can see, the headlight, the blinker, everything is all one unit, and it connects together with just one plug. You don't even have to touch the plug. Slide it in, lock it, slide it out. Now let's get outside to the car so I can show you how to do this yourself, build your confidence, and save you some of that money for more Porsche products. Let's get some work done.
So I hate to see them go, but I've been rocking these for 2 years now, and as you can see, the sun's been beating them up pretty bad, and the plastic's kind of crispy, so I can't even heat it, and it's just gonna crack. So we're gonna take our lights out today, and I'm gonna show you how to take a headlight out. So in your little toolkit, you're gonna get one of these, and that's gonna come in your little rollout kit. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull the thing down and stick it in. It's gonna go in here, and I wanna show you one out first so you can see what it does. It raises the lever here. So there's a little latch underneath the headlight. I'll show you when I pull the other one out. And when you do it, you're gonna lock it in, and it's gonna go up and under and grab. And then when you unlock it, it's gonna release it. So you're gonna find somewhere in between, like down here, and then pull your headlight out this way. So let's go ahead and do it on the other side. So you just pull it down here, go in the little hole, it's easy to find. I think it's a 5 Allen, it might be a 4, I gotta look up. And then you see it just moved on its own. So it just moved forward on its own. And then you're just gonna wiggle it out. And that's it. So let's look underneath the light real quick. I'll show you. Just turn the light over. And this little piece right here, when you turn it up, it locks into place and pulls it back into this locking position. So you see it gets locked in there. And then when you twist this up and down, that is what releases it, and you can pull the light right out. Now these lights have this this piece right here that runs all the electric to all the lights in your front headlight, because it's one solid piece. Now that is connected right there. So once you slide the headlight in, you're gonna have to get a channel here and a channel here. I'm gonna show you that real quick on the light. So you see the little protrusion sticking out. You're gonna line that up. And you're gonna line this one up on this side. So let's put it right in the track right there. And then let's find the one over here. It's back a little further, so make sure we're still in track, right? And then when that one gets close, we're gonna put that in as well. Pop it into place, and then you're just gonna move it. Oh, we went the wrong way. That's how it kicks it out. Put this into place. And pop. When you hear it pop, that means it popped in. And your light is locked back in now. Quick little video for the Porsche people. Hope you like it.
All right, guys, so here's a little sneak peek of a video that we're working on next, just to make sure that you guys know that we're doing something. And this is a great time to subscribe so you can see what we're gonna put out editing next week.
So just a little sneak peek. These are the headlights that I had. I was practice tinting this one over here with a new wet tint film that I got. And I am going to sand these down and make them look brand new again. Now there's nothing I can do with this little piece right here, but
we have a conversion cover kit that's going to go over this and take that out completely and take the fog light out and make this look like the new Cayman. So stay tuned. If you like Porsche stuff, I'll show you how to fix your headlights for only $25.